and welcome to this very special conversation, viewers. We've decided that today for 1 hour we're going to just take a break from all the serious news, take a break from all the depressing news, take a break from all the lockdown news, and just sit back, unwind, and have a good laugh. It's extremely important, in these times when you're all stuck, confined within the four walls, unable to get out, unable to take a break from your family members or meet your friends. It is extremely essential to keep the humor going, and to help us with that, I've got some very interesting people joining us right now for this conversation. So let's just say hello to Amit Tandon and Neeti Palta, Varun Thakur, Danish Seth, Kusha Kapila and Sahil Shah. I don't want to introduce them and what they do because you all know them much better than perhaps some of us news anchors. So that's all right. We're just going to dive straight into this conversation, and it's free flowing, guys. I'm usually used to having some angry yelling politicians on my panels, so I'm going to try and see how to moderate a bunch of comics and funny guys. I'm hoping that you all just, give me more laughs than yelling, shouting matches. Let's start with Amit. Amit, I see you have lost weight, and I have decided that I must mention this, because unlike your last digital video that took place, or so you claim. I don't know if Neeti disagrees on that front, but how has lockdown been, Amit, for you so far?
It's been interesting. Yes, sitting at home for such a long time is a problem. But so in the beginning, it was like, okay, so it's a break from all the traveling and everything. So I thought, okay, let me catch up with the family. So we caught up. I was not talking too much to my kids, in the last 2-3 years because I was traveling a lot. But now we've run out of conversations. We've run out of games. So that's what's happening on that front. So a lot of domestic work I've learned in the process. So that's the third thing. Plus now we are getting used to, doing shows online. That's one thing that's going well. Where we've started doing ticketed shows, and people are kind of accepting the whole, process where we're sitting at home and, selling them tickets. So that's something that I'm hoping it gets better with time.
Okay, for comics and or anybody else who performs on the stage, they have to be a little narcissistic. They have to be a little obsessed with people giving you their feedback, people cheering you up, clapping, laughing, or simply just following what you're saying. Neeti, do you miss that? Do you miss live audience in that sense, or are we all getting used to seeing those hearts and smiley emoticons pop up on a screen during a live?
Honestly, I'll tell you how bad I miss it. The other day, I went out to a grocery store to buy some stuff for the house, and I was wearing my gloves, I was wearing my fat mask. And in that, some lady came up to me and said, "Big fan." I swear I could have forgotten social distancing and hugged her at that point. I was like, validation. I was just so happy. So yes, I miss it really bad. All these little hearts and little hands and all that happening on the screen right now, but one-on-one is completely different, man.
Yes, and it's just been, I think, about 6 weeks. I don't know how long it's going to be. So I have a question that I'm going to take, and ask some of you. Danish, let's begin with you.
Yeah.
What is that one skill that you have acquired during this lockdown?
So I've become more narcissistic, and I've just started talking to myself now. I don't talk to anybody else, and I think I've started to like me. I'm very comfortable with myself. I wasn't this comfortable. That's why you see all my videos of just talking to myself. I mean, I'm more self-obsessed than ever before, and I love me. Yeah.
In Bengaluru, Danish? Because if you're in Bengaluru, I would have expected you to sit.
No, I was just saying, ₹2 ka ghar ka kaam I haven't picked up.
I didn't get part of that.
I'm very useless.
Now, I was going to ask you, if you're in Bengaluru, then you should be sitting with your 2-liter ceramic or stainless steel flask, because and I thought that was a very interesting news that came out of Karnataka last week, where they decided that okay, not only are we going to allow for home delivery of alcohol maybe through stores, but we are going to allow the microbreweries to sell alcohol in takeaway glasses and flasks. And Bangalore's always been, right up front, a pioneer in these kinds of innovations. I think even the microbreweries was an idea that started in Bengaluru. I don't know, Danish, have you heard from your friends? How is this idea working out? Has it started?
It's great. We're very well stocked, even on a news debate. He's holding up a bottle of
I hate
scotch, guys,
you,
in case you
I
can see.
hate you right now.
Yeah. I mean, it's a welcome move, obviously. I mean, you should ask my friends from Bombay, you should ask
Okay.
Varun, and you should ask Kusha and all of them. How are they doing considering there's no alcohol, none of that available? Please ask Varun. I think he'd be able to give a better answer.
Well, I have to first find out if Varun has joined us today or if Vicky has joined us.
Actually, both are here. So whoever you want to speak to can show up. It's all up to you. Who do you want to speak to?
Whoever is acing the lockdown, I don't know which one of you.
I think I've created a monster because suddenly now people want to see Vicky more than they want to see me, and I have to tell people that, guys, even Vicky is me. Okay, it's not a different person. It's just me again. But yeah, it's been really interesting to see where at what part of this we are in right now, because it's unprecedented. We never expected something like this to happen. So
It happened to you, Varun, a few weeks ago on one of those conversations that a bunch of you were having, and I think for half of it you were just frozen, not there, gone, missing. And honestly, you're right, because it's not just for you all. It's I think the biggest professional hazard for all of us as well. There is a 8-second lag between when my voice reaches the guest and the guest responds, and sometimes the voice breaks, and then we for the next 3 minutes, 180 seconds, we are just saying, hello, can you hear me? Yeah, go ahead. No, I can hear you. But can you hear me? And half my debate then just goes into that kind of a thing. So yes, a good, strong internet connection is very, very important, isn't it? Kusha, how's it going
is.
where you are? And what's the biggest professional hazard for you in this lockdown?
Nothing has changed for me because I'm not a stand-up comic. I've always done this. I have always spoken to a camera and spoken to a virtual audience. So absolutely nothing has changed for me. I don't need the applauses because for us the emoticons are the applauses. But there is absolutely no alcohol dearth also because my husband works with an alcohol company, so we are well stocked. Neeti, if you want anything, I'll have someone send over to you once the borders opened.
please.
But I'm
Kusha,
really
me too,
enjoying
please.
absolutely Bombay. I'll have to figure that one out. Gaadi se bhajwana padega. But what has really changed for me is that I can't believe how much we self-congratulate ourselves for doing basic things like cooking and cleaning.
Yeah.
So lockdown has been such a mummy ka
Everybody
chana
wants
on
to
my
make it
face.
right. Hmm.
It has
Yeah,
been
everybody
one
wants
night snap on our face. Oh, look at us self-congratulating ourselves. Oh my God, I made rice today. Well, great. That is, you should have known this 10 years ago. Okay. I make mom videos. I make mom videos because I'm constantly talking to my mom. Mom, ab kya karna hai? Ye kya hota hai? Ye chawal kya hai? What do you mean ki namak zyada hai? How can you know from the phone ki namak zyada hai? So the videos I make and I enjoy. My mother is annoyed with me. She's ghosted me. She's stopped taking my calls because she's like, I cannot with you. I can't deal with you right now.
I can see Varun laughing the most on that one, as if he related to it completely. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, even my mother just gave up. She said, you can't do this. I'll just come home and cook for you. So I kidnapped her from her house, brought her to my house and made her cook for me.
It's true. It's so funny. Danish and I actually had a chat where I just asked him that, are you cooking now? I can't believe these are the chats we're having now.
Yeah.
Actually, my mom gave me a recipe for besan
Okay,
ka
I think
barfi.
Sahil's with us as well.
I'm going to
So
do it, but then I was like, it's too sweet. So I told her, you told me 2 katori sugar. She's like, how did you do the sugar? I'm like, I put the sugar. She's like, did you grind it down? I'm like, yeah, I did. She's like, you're supposed to put 2 katori of the ground sugar, not like the actual sugar. And I'm like, you're supposed to tell me these things. How am I supposed to know the difference will happen?
But they're fascinated looking at people making Dalgona coffee online with really hot shots and like their husbands holding them from behind. I'm like, you made 1 cup of coffee, man. 1 cup of coffee. So much shusha about it.
Hey, can you guys hear me? Am I part of this
So
conversation? or am
Sahil's
I...
with us. Everybody, let's say hello to Sahil.
Sorry.
Yes, you are in this
Hi.
conversation.
Hi, Sahil.
And Sahil, before you joined, we were having a conversation before you joined about that one lockdown skill that we've acquired. Honestly, this has become like a rat race. Even the lockdown has kind of become a high pressure thing where we must learn new things and everybody must show off, new survival skills. So Danish, add on to that. Have you acquired any new skill?
No.
No.
I think that's the best answer of all time.
One of those interviews where the question is longer than the answer.
See, housekeeping I used to do in any which case. Cooking I can't do. As simple as that. So I've not learned anything new. See, even this self-healing, self-discovery, I think I've done it for so many years now. Kitna healing, kitna discovery now. Enough. So just living my life now, doing my stuff now, whatever has to be done.
My
One thing
favorite
that I
thing
have
to
learned in
do.
the process
Well, no,
is
see, so
No, now who's saying?
yeah, go on.
no.
I was saying my favorite thing to do now is that, like, for the first 2 weeks, I was like, you know what? I have to create stuff. I need to work. I need to write.
Question. I genuinely have a question.
Well, unless-
where do you find the time for the self-healing and learning of new skill? Because there is so much work to do around the house.
Yeah.
There is a lot of bloody work.
One thing I've realized.
Okay, who wants to
about-
answer that?
I will answer this.
Well,
Sorry,
you
go ahead,
find
go
out,
ahead.
right?
Because,
In your self-discovery, you find out whether you're a pocha girl or a jhadu girl.
Jhadu
You
girl.
know a lot
Yeah,
about yourself.
True.
I'll tell you something fun, guys. On the start of this, before this lockdown was announced, I had brought a puppy home, and the idea was that we were going to foster the puppy, and that is it. Okay. And then lockdown 1, 2, 3, 4. Now puppy is adopted. He's not going anywhere. And the one thing I have learned.
Yay!
Yeah, I know. Yeah. The amount of time that goes in cleaning up after potty and susu. Now I never ever want a child.
I want to just come in there and say the amount of cleaning up you have to do after a human is 10x more. Do you know how much a human eats?
Yes, that's why you wonder how much of mess are we creating on a daily basis. So that being said, my other question that I wanted to ask, and Kusha, maybe you can come in on this, is one skill you already had that's actually helping you right now in this lockdown.
Patience. I was married. And the one thing you need is patience. So I'm very glad that I had that skill, because trust me, being quarantined with another person is like being in a big boss house, legit. So every day I'm just thankful that I was married for 3 years and I acquired the very, very important skill of patience. And that's the way both of us have not killed each other yet. So yeah.
I got married.
Amit, you want to add to that one skill that you had which is helping you?
So Amit, is it?
Yeah.
Amit,
Sir.
bolo yaar, ek skill bolo.
Okay, I don't think he can hear us. We're going to fix that line, but Sahil, go ahead. You wanted to say something. Yeah.
No, I was telling Kusha, she still has 3 years of experience. I got married in December and I was like, our plan was to go on a honeymoon, which clearly has been 3 months of sitting at home and staring at each other's faces. And
Hey,
after,
each other better, no?
No. Now we need space. Can't handle it. Can't.
Isn't this a blessing in disguise?
It is. I've saved so much money. It's amazing. But
Okay.
I think the one skill that
I wanted to.
huh.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just saying the
skill
one
that you
skill that
had?
we've learned is the skill that I've had. Skill that I had. Nothing, man. I'm just glad that I can at least I can shoot and edit and do things at home. You know, like at least I'm not affected. A lot of people I see who are not used to this are now creating videos, and oh my god, you have to see them. The amount of struggle.
Stop it. Stop it.
Are you talking about somebody specific, Sahil?
No. Just general, you know. I get calls. How do I edit? Hey, what does this button do? Or like, how do you cut? And I'm like, okay, wait, I'll tell you. I'll teach you.
Well, I know that Neeti learned today. If you're doing a chat like this on Skype, how is it that you can see other people in tiny little boxes? Did you figure that, Neeti? I still don't know.
No, guess what I'm
in
doing?
all honesty.
I'm streaming you
Even I
live
don't
here and watching this. So in case my eye line looks off, it's because
Well,
I'm
then
staring
join the
at
club.
my
That's how I'm
laptop
also watching you
or
guys.
my phone.
I'm watching myself on this screen. I can't see anybody else.
Yeah, neither
I
can
can't
I.
even see
I
myself.
am with Danish. In fact,
That-
when I
by
actually
choice?
do video call with anyone, yeah.
No. So here we're all there. Here we're all there. Here. See, all of us are here. You know, but we can't see each other like this. So I don't know why we're discussing this, but okay.
In the streaming, there's an 8-second delay. So if I'm doing this right now, I will stare here for 8 seconds before I see myself do that.
Oh, acha. Okay. Just
Actually, between you guys, it's going to be more because we're all remotely located. And now, by what you're realizing right now, I just want to say welcome to my life, guys. This is what I do 12 hours. There is this much of lag every single
Madam,
minute
that-
of my work day. Where my guests can't hear me, I can't hear my PCR or my director. And
Madam, I have one question for you. That backdrop which is there in the video while you're doing this broadcast, is that always in your house or you got it before the lockdown? Or do you carry it with you everywhere?
yes,
Like, how does it work?
I
Please
have
tell us that
this
process.
and I have 2 backups of this thanks to the lockdown. Yeah, no, this is all thanks to the lockdown. I have literally overtaken my husband's office room and this is now my studio now while he works from another room. So that's that.
Yeah, like for me also, I feel like when I'm shooting, it's genuinely like really painful for my partner because he has to sit in a room and I can even hear him breathe. So a camera actually takes the noise, the sound of breathing, eating from a spoon. So like I'll be shooting and I'll go like, "Hey, chammach niche rakh," and then he'll be like, "What is your problem? I have to exist. This is coexistence. I can't be quiet the entire time." So trust me, if you are somebody who shoots from your house and you live with another person, it's a nightmare for the other person. Absolute nightmare.
You're
Yeah,
right,
100%.
Kusha. When you've been married long
Yeah.
enough, the first thing that starts to bother you about the other person is the fact that they are breathing.
But like shooting from home genuinely has an impact. Like I'm not even kidding. Every time I'm shooting something, my wife will walk in, she opens the door, she looks at me and she screams. She like, "Why are you so loud? Why are you so loud? Can't you just be quiet for once?" And I'm like, "I can't. This is how I shut up." I'm like, okay.
Is this only while shooting, Sahil?
Yeah, no, it's not.
So I have an experience to share with
we have a different
Kusha
kind
and
of a fight that
Sahil.
happens in our house. It's because there are times
I
when
have
both of us have to go
with
live at
Kusha
the
and
same time.
Sahil.
He's also a
I
journalist
think-
and he has his lives as well. And the biggest fight that happens, guys, is genuinely about the bandwidth and who's going to go live at which point. And no, this is my time schedule and this is your time schedule. So yeah, I can imagine, you know, when shooting actually becomes a problem, there are 2 of us and then sometimes the neighbors sush us. The time that we were all supposed to switch off our lights and we were all supposed to light up the diyas, there was one house in this entire locality that had all these studio lights on and 2 people going live, and we actually got sushed. And yelled at and scolded by our neighbors for not following the lockdown rules that day. So those are the experiences. Amit Tandon is back with us. We have a patchy line with him, so I'm actually going to go across to him right now and ask Amit to share some of his experiences on this, Amit, since you missed a part of the conversation.
बच्चे online gaming कर रहे हैं,
Lockdown
bandwidth
happened
कम हो
at the
गया.
right time, in the sense that one, my kids are now grown up. They're 14 and 16. So they make food, they can do the dishes also. So I don't have the pressure of, actually cooking.
You train them well.
So I do the allocation of work and some amount of dusting. But one thing that I've realized in lockdown is that whatever your kids want to become, first make them software engineers, because now I'm becoming half a software engineer, just managing all the things on Zoom and, everything else, setting up a studio at home, getting the right mic, putting it in the USB and stuff like that. So software engineering is now more important than 10th standard, I think. That's what it's becoming now.
Amit, if you lease your kids out right now, you could earn
That
a
is
lot
true,
of
but are
money.
you finding
पूरी
more
building में
content
सफाई
at
करवा
home?
दे, कितने पैसे बन जाएंगे?
I'm thinking of renting
That
out
sounds
my
so
son
wrong.
for managing Zoom calls. I'm telling you, that's going to be the next big business. 2,000 rupees to manage a 2-hour Zoom call, and I'm telling you, Zoom administrator is the next big thing happening now.
Yeah.
Amit Tandon, father of the year, right there, father of the year.
No, I am amazed with the amount of ease he's saying. They're 14 and 16. They can cook. They can clean up. Perhaps they are the ones using your bandwidth right now, Amit, and which is why we're not able to talk to you. But Sahil, you wanted to come and say something?
The problem.
About what? No, I wasn't saying anything. I was just congratulating Amit on being a great father.
Yes.
You can ask us single people also how we feel,
on this
no?
panel are also very active as far as
You
your
can ask
fitness
single
is
people also how
concerned.
we feel.
And I've seen some videos that Neeti. Sorry, what was that?
I said you can ask us single people also how we feel.
Yeah, please should.
Ask us also how we feel. Ask
I
Varun,
was
ask
coming
me.
to that. So a lot of fitness videos by Varun and Neeti. Varun, how's that going out for you? Single at home.
I think that was
working out,
another.
stuck, can't go to
No,
a
I'm
gym.
not.
That's what Sahil told me to say.
I'm not single.
I didn't
No.
say it.
I'm not single.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
you guys are going to
अकेला
get
इधर भी
into a lot
मैं
of
ही single हूँ
trouble.
क्या?
My girlfriend sitting right here staring at me saying, "What do you mean you're single?" She's right here.
Imagine,
I'm sorry. I'm not. They said it. I didn't say it.
saying you're single.
Arun, you told me on the phone you're single, bro.
Something about single people. What is the plight of single people? I would love to know. Changing the topic very quickly.
Atmanirbhar.
Atmanirbhar, for sure.
Very quickly.
That's what even Amit has done. If you look at how he's talking about his kids, that's exactly what he's done. His kids are like completely Atmanirbhar now, which is like teach them when they're young, before they realize at the age of 30, 35 that, oh, I can't cook, oh, I can't even clean, oh, I can't like do basic adult functions. So Atmanirbharta for sure.
Or
The thing
dad
is,
sold my
in the
services for
process,
2,000
when
rupees.
they became Atmanirbhar, I have become Nirbhar on them. That's the problem. So I need them for my biryani, butter
Okay,
chicken, all of
I
that.
have a question. Now, a lot of us are in Mumbai right now, but we belong to different cities. Some of us are, in Delhi or Bengaluru or, a few of the other capitals. And all of these big cities right now, guys, are red zones. Now, to your mind, which one do you think, basis how people and what the culture is and how people behave here, which city do you think is going to emerge from the lockdown first? Delhi, Bengaluru or Mumbai?
Bangalore.
Definitely not Mumbai. Definitely not Mumbai.
Definitely
Definitely.
Bangalore.
Never
Delhi,
Mumbai.
Delhi.
I think
Why is
Bengaluru as
that?
well. Even I have a feeling Bengaluru, I think. Even I think Bengaluru, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah. Because their
Yeah.
need to eat outside food
Oh, you
is
have to
much
justify
more
your
than any
answer.
other
Why do you
city.
think it's Bengaluru? Let's start with that.
I don't know. We read the Hindu paper. Slightly more, slightly in the south, it's slightly more, I'm just kidding. No, I think, I don't know, because I think, I don't know, yeah, I just feel like we're a little scared. We're like, ayo, beda, that, like, don't touch, that. Kindly stay away. I don't know how to put it. Maybe.
think they're
Varun,
more
you've been to this side of town.
scared
Don't you
or
think
more
Bangalore might
disciplined?
just
They just follow
get
rules
this out of the way
better
soon?
than Delhiites.
I feel
Yes.
like
That's what
now
I'm saying.
getting into
It'll be Delhi that comes out of the lockdown because we don't listen to anybody anyway. What lockdown?
Yeah.
Correct.
it's not
We
that.
get Corona in Delhi, they'll be like, tu janta hai, come, Corona. I'll show you who I am. and all that.
See, I have my 2 cents on this. I live in Gurgaon, okay, Gurugram, and there are two regulations we follow here because in Gurugram you mostly have housing societies. So I live in an apartment, and we have two regulations. One is the government's regulations. One is the society regulations. If you actually come to our WhatsApp society chats, the kind of politics that's happening there, it's not easy to keep up with that. Can you walk your dog?
for sure.
Can you water the plants? Can you go out to walk? So there are like multiple regulations to follow here. So I feel like I feel like Gurgaon is going to be pretty okay with responding to the regulations also, because they're already doing it twice. Once in their own society, which is very, very strict, and one to the government also. Definitely.
But with Delhi,
I'd
what has
just like
happened
to
is
say-
Can you find
the
a way
CM
to
has
how
come out
are
and
the
said
Delhi
कि यार
ITs
अब
doing,
खोलो।
Booze past the border
Tusha?
to Delhi? Like somehow. Just
Sorry?
can you find a way to sneak booze past the border?
Niti just has priorities.
What? The only question of
Let
the
me,
hour.
let me find some people in Noida who can like have it sent to you. Let me do that. Let me figure that out. We'll chat after this.
See, in Ahmedabad, they figured
Yes,
out a way
that
that they can
conversation
do
is
drone
going off
delivery
air
of
right now, guys.
pan masala
Offline
and
right
stuff.
now. I don't want to be part of this scheming and plotting that is happening on the channel right now. Please.
Ma'am, how are
I'll
you
tell you what,
managing,
guys.
ma'am? How are you managing with, alcohol and all that?
She doesn't
I
drink,
think
Danish.
this
What
is
are you
going to be
talking
a
about?
30-minute session
Talked
rather than a
out.
1 hour
We had
session now.
insider information about the lockdown and we made the best use of that. Let's just say that.
Okay.
Insider information of the lockdown meant that we prepared and planned well.
After a debate with a bunch of politicians, she's like, I really need a glass of wine.
He's like, don't worry, I gotta go down full of it.
See, just to let you guys know, you can't store more than 10 liters of alcohol at home in Bombay. More than that is illegal. So if you said anything about that so far on the channel, beware.
No,
We
nothing.
haven't. I've
No,
said I
no,
don't
nothing.
have
No,
any
no, no, no. I don't,
Thank you
I don't have
for
any.
that disclaimer.
I've been drinking green tea every night. 10 liters of green tea. That's
So,
it.
you know-
Nothing more than that.
I'm reduced to water, guys. Come on now. What?
See, honestly, right now there are enough tutorials online where you can make wine at home. So if any of you want it, I can send it to you guys. You can make alcohol at home also now. So
You can.
that's
Yes, you
perfect.
You go blind in the eyes and all that stuff. Drop like some slippers into it and all that stuff.
Well, I have a feeling I should know the answer to this question, but I don't. So I'm just going to ask, do you need a license for that to make it at home?
You should tell us, ma'am. You know the regulations better than us.
I don't think
I
you can
think
mass produce at home. At least I doubt it.
Should.
Whoever learns to mass produce is going to be my next best friend. So just like
Can I just tell you that this entire conversation has become highly illegal from actually how are we surviving the lockdown to अच्छा तुम लोग दारू कैसे बनाते हो?
Actually, ma'am, what is the purpose of this debate, ma'am? What is the purpose?
How to make liquor at home.
I have seen a
मेरा
sister
सब्जी
make
ferment हो गया
wine
था.
at
मेरा
home.
सब्जी ferment हो गया था. I was very tempted to have that also. क्या पता? Fermentation is fermentation.
I'm so happy that my kids are not watching right
Okay, I am going to make a very. No, I am very, very sure, Amit, they're not watching this of all the possible options that they have right now.
I'm sure my kids, like my son, is so disappointed with some of the OTT channels right now. He's like, वो लेफ्ट के टॉप पे लिखा तो होता है कि इसमें कंटेंट होगा ऐसा, बट फिर निकलता नहीं है. That's his new thing.
Name some.
So that's very, they're definitely
Correct.
not going to watch it.
No, but it does it make it easier? Are you getting more content now because you're in a lockdown and the kids around and family around, and does that help you write some more, get some more content?
The kind of content has changed. The kind of content has changed now. Earlier it was about daily life, daily issues. Now the content is a lot about when you're spending all the time together. How do you figure that out? So that's changing now the behavior of everybody at home, because now I've suddenly started talking to my kids a lot more. I know their issues, and now I try to find ways of ignoring them for a while. So which yeah, really, I'm telling you, a lot of us parents, we tell our kids that we want to be friends, we should talk to each other about everything. And I've been talking to them and they've started talking about everything. And I'm telling you, you don't want to know everything that is going on in your kid's life. You don't want to know everything. Like, bas, itna bahut hai. It's, there has to be we can't really be friends. Let's just be parents, and that's how it should work. That's what I've figured out. I don't really want to talk to them.
Okay,
too much.
Varun, I am still watching this on live streaming, so I may have missed some points. But Varun, you've been awfully quiet today.
No, I'm just listening because every time I go to speak, I can hear other voices. So then I don't want to be the kind of panelist that we make fun of. Because everybody so I'm trying to keep quiet and answer when I'm asked the question.
I just have one request. I just have one request from everybody here. I have one request, please.
And I will come to you.
Makes sense.
Please, I have one request.
Yeah.
One request. By the end of this, at least
Okay, raise
for
your
1
hand
minute,
and then I
let's
will come to
behave
you.
like
Next.
that, please.
Okay.
Let's all scream and shout at each other for just 1 minute, please.
Define what do you mean by that?
Yeah.
Nothing. We just
Okay,
start
where
shouting
everybody
at
is
each
talking
other,
over
and
each
then
other?
you obviously start taking sides and all that stuff, ma'am. So then let's do one like that. Just 1 minute. We'll all shout at each other for 1 minute.
But then I will have to get serious and use what I say every day to my panelists at the beginning of every show, saying this is Mirror now. You're on the urban debate. We let each other talk on this show. We listen to each other. There is not going to be any yelling. I am not going to tolerate that. So please listen to each other and speak when you're spoken to. That's usually the rule.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Nobody follows it. That's a completely different matter altogether.
No, we are very happy to follow all the rules.
Yes.
So I think once in a while we get it.
Yes, we. Okay, so here is the next question. And Varun, let's begin with you, and then we'll go to Neeti and Danish. How long do you think you can survive this lockdown? How many more days?
How many more days? I could actually go for a month at least more, because in the good thing about me being quarantined with my girlfriend and my brother's a DJ, so he plays amazing music all day long. My girlfriend is a fantastic cook, so I'm getting amazing food that I don't have to call food from outside. And a lot of people are like, oh, this is that, I'm so tired, I have run out of patience, but I'm good actually. I think I can survive at least another month. Then I think I will be thrown out of the house. But for one more month, I think I can go about.
What happens after a month that you get thrown out?
Nothing. My girlfriend and my brother both can't stand me then, and they're going to throw me out because I'm the annoying one amongst the three.
Okay. Who thinks they can last longer than another month, longer than Varun can?
Ma'am, I
I
think we
can
shouldn't
last,
make
but
this
I
a
don't
game,
think my
ma'am.
dogs will last that long because
I'm very happy.
they're just so tired with me playing with them all the time. They've started hiding their toys. Ki leave us alone. I've been petting their pet, like they've got bald patches on their backs from all my anxious petting and all. So I like every time I call out to them, three of them disappear in three different corners saying, "Leave us alone, human, like go." You're talking about lockdown skills. I think they've developed the skill to Google how to make human sit and stay. I didn't know pause could type, man. They're like fantastic.
Amit, you wanted to add to this?
Yeah, I am very happy at
He knows
home.
my
I'm very
life.
happy at home. I have, I get my food, everything. It's again, the challenge is not that how long can I survive the lockdown. It's like how long can my family survive me. You know,
Yes.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah.
Always.
where it is getting, because अभी मुझे लग रहा है like अब कुछ दिनों में खाना थूका हुआ मिलेगा मुझे, like there's going to be
But you know,
something
honestly,
or the
I
other
miss
is
my
in there.
parents really badly. The other day I told them, I'll just drive past your house. You just come to the balcony and wave at me. That's all I want from you. At least just wave at me. So those are things that you really miss, man.
I'm actually very excited to just get out of the house. Like ordinary places like Haji Ali excite me, right now. I'm just excited to go to Haji Ali. That's all. I'll go to Haji Ali and I'm like, wow, yay. That's all. I just want to get out. Can't do this anymore.
To the open spaces and
Yeah.
Kusha, how about you? How many days are you giving yourself?
I can survive for as long as the government wants me to be in the house, to be really, really honest. I have all the tools. I have internet. I have my camera, and my husband is tolerating
Yeah.
me. So it's great. It's really about how long can he tolerate me, but I think he's doing fine tolerating me. So it's absolutely fine.
Okay, so this is the last one that I wanted to ask. We spoke about it initially, but I want some more inputs on this. Lockdown professional hazards. Technology being one that I think all of us will agree, and it's the same for all of us. But outside of that, what has been that one big challenge, or share an interesting story where everything just got really mixed up because of it? Sahil, let's start with you.
No, I'm sorry. I didn't understand the question. Sorry. What do you mean by like mixed up? Hello?
A professional hazard. The fact that you're locked down, how is it making your work life difficult? One big challenge.
I mean, honestly, we as comedians, you're used to hearing people laugh, right? So it gets very difficult when you have to do like these Zoom shows, because the thing is, like we discussed earlier, the lag, right, just involves us cracking a joke and then staring at screen like idiots for 10 minutes, hoping they will laugh.
At the end of this show, I just wanted to check if there are any takers for Sahil's idea. Do you want me to give you guys 1 minute where you want to try out how it's actually in an actual news debate on some of the other channels?
Again, Danish's idea. I didn't say anything. You're exchanging us.
I'm not doing that.
Let's try it out. Ladies and gentlemen, on the panel tonight, we have with us.
One second. One second.
No, Tanvi, you have to listen to me. No, you have to listen to me. What is going on? No, not at all.
You can have an intelligent debate,
Not at
or you
all.
can keep shouting.
No,
I have
not at all.
opinion too,
No.
so you have to listen
I
to me.
want to know right now what is going on. This is not done.
Can I make a
ये
point?
गड़बड़ है, ये
You-
complete
No,
गड़बड़ है.
You are writing
All right, ladies and gentlemen, calm down.
Life anymore.
Don't make me put your audio down. Calm down, everybody. All right. You are all.
Madam, I have a point, madam. ये दानिश No.
I don't have the time. No. I'm not going to allow this. Thank you so much, guys. But honestly, thanks a lot.
Thank you, Tanvi.
In
Thank
all
you.
honesty, whatever we spoke about there was simply to give some laughs, simply to share some laughs and some humor. We are not advocating anything else over here. I don't want a legal suit because of these guys. Just putting it out there. Thank you so much, Amit, Neeti, Kusha, Varun, Danish, and Sahil. Thank you for taking the time out and
Thank you.
joining us today. Thanks.
So much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us.
Bye.